Hi everybody, and welcome to another simple tutorial on how to make Google Slide classrooms. Today I'm going to be talking about making I Spy slides. Now basically all you have to do to make an I Spy slide is make a background and then paste a whole bunch of images into it that match whatever theme you're going for. So let's say we're making a slide on shapes or a slide set on shapes. We're going to go into View, Theme Builder. You want to build as much as you can in the background, okay, because that will help with it just being on every slide, okay? So if you want on all this exactly the same, you build up in theme. Otherwise, you pick a layout. Here's a couple layouts there. I'm going to start from a new layout. So you would put you in your background and put in your furniture. I have a few here in my furniture warehouse that I like, so I'm just going to command copy those, and I'm going to command V those in back. Now we've got them in. They're up on my slide. We've got it perfect. Okay, so we're going to add things here to the background. So we're going to go to Insert, Image, Search the Web. Let's see, we're going to put an orange in. Orange is one of the things I was looking for. So we've got an orange, maybe a party hat for a cylinder. Okay, so you make your orange smaller. Wow, that's a big orange. Let's make it a little bit smaller still. Okay, we're going to take your heart party hat in. And we're going to make that fit. And we're just going to keep doing this. You have to kind of think, what else would I present for a cube? So pull in a cube and so on and so forth until you have a pretty good background. You want to leave some space for them to change it up a bit. So you don't want to fill everything. You leave like 4 or 5 spaces so that you can add things to the front. So now we're going to go out and we're going to make magic go by, and we've got a filled classroom. Okay, but this one's going to be 4 spheres. So we have to add a few more spheres to the image for the kids to find. So say we're going to add a tennis ball. Okay, and we'll pull that guy in. And then we need a something that tells us what they're looking for on the slide. So we'll put our tennis ball in, and then we're going to say that we want a sphere. All right, so I found my sphere on a Google search. And images. Okay, you're gonna control copy image, go back, control Velcro. And your sphere will come up. All right, so now we've got all that in. Last step that we're going to do is, if you want, you can do this in a couple ways. You can do it as a whole class and just have the kids kind of call out over your Google Meet or your Zoom meeting. The other thing you can do is add a circle or a sphere, right? And this one's already been colored with the transparent. So to make it transparent, you have to go to Custom, change the color, say, move the transparency line, hit OK, and now you have something that the kids can on their own highlight the different spheres for you. So either of those 2 ways works perfectly well. All right, I hope this helped you out a little bit, and you can get as elaborate or as simple as you like, really, when you're making these. Have fun, and remember, please, to subscribe to my channel. Have a great day. Bye-bye.